President Glenn Hernandez, so our finance is on her way to Ms. Tess Guevara, to our Associate Managing Director Joby Hernandez, to our beloved officers and leaders, Cora Marshall, Ms. Therese Lomanyor, Ms. Rochelle de Guzman, Ms. Gina Comida, Mr. Chris Santos, and Mr. Nilo Viado. Are you there? And of course, to our distinguished guests, I'll start with our client from Delphi. We have here Ms. Selena Martinez, Ferdinand Fernando, Sir Ferdy, Jenny Espiritu, Jonelle Damani, Paul Carlos, Ismar Puno, and Miko Benitez. From our client, NutriAsia, we have Ms. Toby Herquiza, and of course, our dedicated staff across every department, and our unstoppable promo specialists. May I all ask you to stand? My team. From the Beko team, please stand. Beko team, welcome. From TWD team, TWG, welcome, guys. Sanicare team, the Sanicare team. Nandito po yung Sanicare? Okay. Welcome po. From the Frabel team, welcome. From Grupo, the Grupo team, I can't see. Nandito pa. From Livestrong, the Livestrong team, and of course, Delphi team.